Hi folks, welcome to AMC channel 2021. Hi folks, I'm going to unbox the Apple Pencil first generation. I bought it today. Okay folks, let's open it. Okay, now we gotta do this peel. Wait, no peel? Wait. Okay, it says design in California over there. In the Apple Pencil. Check this out. And under this cap, you just plug it into your lightning. And I have a cool test I want to show you. Okay, I want to do a scary test. So this is a really old 2013 iPad mini 2, and I want to test it if it works. It's not gonna get in. Okay, so it's not gonna work, guys. Cause it's too old, guys. Okay, do you remember I unboxed the iPad 8 generation? Well, I'm doing it on my iPad 8 generation. Wait. Close your eyes, don't look. Don't look. Don't look at my password. Okay, so you got the Apple Pencil, and then you just plug it into the lightning. And then, gotta wait. Let's test the Apple Pencil. So, when you take off this cap, there's lightning, and then plug it into the lightning. Gotta get something. Pop on screen. Wait, we're not plugging it in properly the whole time.
To show you how to plug in lightning. So first you take the cap off, then you put it in here.
Good job. Wait, this say blue. Wait, we gotta plug it in properly.
All the way. Oh, I think it's backwards.
It's not gonna pair all the time.
Wait.
Because this cap.
Alright, now it's plugged in. Okay, it's paired now.
It's not paired.
Yeah, it is. Alright, now I'm gonna demonstrate to you.
Okay, so let's check the settings.
Wait, Dolly John, demonstrate to you how to draw something.
Okay, so we just opened the page because we can't pair it to the whole iPad, so we just opened the page.
Don't listen to him. Alright.
Hey!
Alright, now
I'm not in this video.
Now we can draw something. Wait. Now I'm going to show you how to draw something. I just opened a sketching page. It's called sketch.io. Alright, now I'm going to write something.
Woohoo, let's get started. Hi, subscribers.
Guys, remember, always subscribe because we want to get a lot of subscribers.
Okay, this is how you do. So you plug this in. Not gonna work. It never works on this iPad. Maybe I need. We'll check the settings, and so we're going to see. Let's try Scribble.
Nice signature.
And
thank you for watching our video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.